Hey y'all, I just want to make a quick video on this oversized camping chair that I absolutely love. This is so cool. So it is double wide, easy to set up. It has a lot of padding, so it's extra comfortable. It has cup holders. It has mesh pouches. It has handles on the side to hold like a wine glass. And it also has pouches on the back, which is fantastic. So it has a ton of storage, super comfortable. Folds up really small and goes back into its case. Really easy and is easy to carry around. It also holds up to 660 pounds, which is amazing. So it's really heavy duty and it's really not that heavy, which is really great. And you can use it for camping, for fishing, for sports, for beach trips, for pretty much anything, and you are good to go. So I love it, and I would definitely recommend.